Your Instagram account isn't dead, but it's definitely on life support. Stuck at 300 followers for months, posting daily and still getting 12 likes? Let me guess, you're doing everything right, but getting nothing back. Here's the cold truth, Instagram doesn't care about your aesthetic, it rewards strategy, not effort. So today, I'm giving you the 5 rules to explode your Instagram growth fast. Let's go! You're not growing because your page is about everything, travel, fitness, dogs, and your lunch. You think you're being relatable. You think you're giving people a glimpse into your multifaceted life. Wrong. It's muddled. It's confusing. Nobody follows variety. People follow value. Pick a niche. Be loud. Be specific. Are you the budget travel guy? The 90-day fitness fix girl? The plant-based parent? Own it. Clarity wins attention. Nobody's going to be interested in everything you do. But if you can hone in on that one thing that you're truly passionate about, that's where the magic happens. Your pottery can wait. Your Instagram growth can't. Pick your lane and dominate it. Forget random captions and blurry pics. You got 3 seconds max to stop someone from scrolling past your content. 3 seconds. That's it. You think you have time to mess around? Every post needs a hook that grabs, first 3 seconds or words, a hit. The main content that delivers a hold, something that keeps people watching or swiping. Your hook, that's your headline, your first few words, your opening shot. It's gotta be strong, controversial, intriguing, make them stop scrolling. Then you hit them with the goods, the value, the knowledge, the entertainment. Don't waste their time, deliver. And just when they think they're done, you hit them with the hold. A call to action, a question that sparks conversation, a cliffhanger that makes them crave the next post. Hook, hit, hold, burn it into your brain. Chapter 3. Post daily but smarter. Consistency beats talent. I preach it because it's true. You can't just pop in whenever you feel like it and expect to build an audience. You gotta show up every single day. But here's the thing, posting randomly won't cut it. You gotta be strategic. Post every day but rotate content. Reels for reach, carousels for value, stories for connection, lives for authority. Each format has its own strengths. Reels are for grabbing attention, going viral. Carousels let you dive deep, provide tons of value. Stories, that's where you get personal, build relationships. And lives, that's showing up as your authentic self, building trust and authority. Stop guessing. Start planning. Use content pillars, create a content calendar, show up consistently day after day. Chapter 4. Engage like a maniac. You want to know the secret to getting engagement? It's not rocket science, it's actually quite simple. Give it first. You think you're too good to comment on other people's posts? Think again. This isn't about stroking egos, it's about building relationships. Comment on 20 posts a day in your niche. And don't just leave generic comments like great post or love this. No one cares. Write thoughtful, engaging comments that add value to the conversation. Reply to every DM like a human. Every DM is an opportunity to connect with a potential fan, a potential customer, a potential collaborator. Engage 10 times more than you post. Like, comment, share, DM, be present, be active, be a part of the community. Chapter 5. Tell the algorithm who you are. Listen up. The Instagram algorithm isn't some mystical being out to get you. It's a machine. And like any machine, it can be understood and manipulated. Your job is to make it work for you. Your bio, your hashtags, your captions. It all tells Instagram what your account is about. Use niche-specific keywords. The more specific you are, the better the algorithm can connect you with the right people. Your goal is not to go viral randomly. Your goal is to go viral to the right people. What good is it to have 1 million followers if none of them are interested in what you have to offer? Think of your bio as your elevator pitch. You got a few seconds to tell people what you do and why they should care. Make it count. Use relevant keywords. Highlight your unique selling proposition. Hashtags are like signposts, guiding people to your content. Use a mix of popular and niche-specific hashtags. Do your research. Find out what hashtags your target audience is using and incorporate them into your posts. Remember, you're not just creating content for humans, you're creating content for the algorithm. Speak its language, play by its rules, and watch your growth explode. Let's grow. Instagram growth isn't luck, it's math. If you follow these 5 rules consistently for 30 days, I guarantee you'll see growth. Not bots, not fake giveaways, real people, real fans, real brand. Smash that like, hit subscribe, and follow Digital Royalty, where we don't chase clout, we build empires. Let's grow.